Today I have taken the chapter 15th, class 10th. Probability. Probability means favorable cases. How many outcomes will be comes out them. Probability. That is equal to number of favorable cases divided by total number of cases. Number of favor. I have taken an example when we have tossed a coin. So what is the probability that head will comes out? So when we have tossed a coin, so what is the possibility that either head will be comes out, either tail will be comes out. So we have to find it. What is the probability that the head will be comes out? So when you are tossing a coin, so let E be the event that head will comes. So what is the probability? Probability is head will be comes out that head. Number of favorable cases 1 divided by total number of cases 2. So here probability is 1 by 2. Probability value. Probability 0 less than and equal to 1. It means that probability value will be comes out is in between 0 and 1. Probability will never be negative. It means that -2, -3, -4 not will be comes out then. Maximum short event will be comes out then. Sure event, that is 1. Impossible event, that is 0. Impossible event 0. Short event 1. So here probability, maximum probability is 1. So PE plus PE naught. Total will be comes out 1. Here possible, not possible, possible plus not possible. Total probability will be comes out as 1. So we have taken another example. A dice is thrown once. Find the probability of getting first part. They will be asking you A prime number, second they will be asked a number lying between 2 and 6. Third part they will be asked an odd number. So firstly you have to read out carefully. A dice is thrown once find the probability of getting. First part they will be asked prime number. Second part they will be asked a number lying between 2 and 6. Third part an odd number. So we have taken the question. A dice is thrown once. When we have tossing a dice, so total possible outcomes. Total possible outcomes will be, when we are throwing a dice, either 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So total, how many total outcomes? Total is 6. So first part here, prime number. So we have assumed that let E be the event that prime number will comes. So how many prime numbers are there? In when throwing a dice, prime numbers are 2, 3 and 5. What is the prime number? Prime number, the number which are divisible by 1 and itself. So here 1 is, some student are taken there, 1 is a prime number, 1 is not a prime number, only even prime number is there 2. So 2, 3 and 5. So let E be the event that prime number will be comes out them. So probability is PE is equal to, so total favorable cases are 1, 2, 3. 3 divided by total number of outcomes 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 3 by 6. So what is your answer? Cut with the table 3. So 1 by 2 is the answer. Okay. Second part, a number lying between 2 and 6. So here we have taken let F be the event that a number lying between 2 and 6. You can assume any letter from A to Z. So PF is equal to number lying between 2 and 6. So 3, 4 and 5. So probability is 3 numbers are there. So 3 by 6. So what is your answer? 1 by 2. Third part, an odd number. Odd number. The number which are not divisible by 2, this is called odd number. So odd number when we are throwing a dice is here 1, 3 and 5. So let G be the event that an odd number will comes. So P Z is equal to total possible outcomes 3 by 6. So 1 by 2. So this is your question. Okay. Next we have taken another question of exercise 15.1. Defective pens are mixed with 132 good ones, it is not possible to just look at a pen and tell whether or not it is defective. One pen is taken out. At random. From this lot. Determine the probability that the pen taken out is a good one. So this is the question. 12 defective pens are mixed with 132 good ones. It is not possible to just look at a pen and tell whether or not it is defective. One pen is taken out random from this lot. Determine the probability that the pen taken out is a good one. So total outcomes means total pens in a lot. Total pens. 12 are defective, 132 are good ones. So 12 plus 132. Total is 144. Total pens are 144. So determine the probability that the pen taken out is a good one. Let E be the event that the pen taken out is a good one. So what is the probability? Probability is how many good ones pens are there? 132 good pens will be there. So 132 divided by total number of pens. Total number of pen is 144. So lowest term 12 ones are 12, 12 ones are 12, 12 ones are 12. So 11 by 12 is the answer. Okay. So 11 by 12 is the answer. Another question you have to try yourself. Thank you.